Thought's not quite that good yet.
No, but
I think we want
someone better detailed, better process, better documented process, and a slightly better tool. I mean, it's not that far off. All right. So I'll go ahead and send out an idiot's guide to an idiot bot, and Patch is welcome. And then we'll see if we want to put it to work in Ansible. Whenever you want to start running it, say the word.
Yeah.
Good testing makes commit access less scary. Yeah.
That's true, but
You have to
commit access to the main repo also is the ability to tag, which is also the ability to do releases to some degree, especially if you have your CI/CD auto doing.
You can do branch protection in GitHub that limits what certain people can do. So in GitHub, there's the admins of a repository, and there's people with right access to the repository.
Oh, so add tagging is it?
I'm not positive, but I thought.
Well, what we can deal with this, either there's a tool that allows you to say you can't tag, so don't do that, or there's a societal convention that says if you tag something, we will throw you out, right?
Yeah.
And if we can't solve it with one of those two things, then we probably have deeper problems.
That would be a hard and fast rule for me, is that the core team is the one that pulls the trigger on tagging and releases.
Yeah, I think that's right. In fact, I think that's obvious.
I don't know that I did that.
Yeah, I didn't think GitHub had, that's one of my biggest complaints about it was I didn't think had fine-grained enough
has
to.
it, Bitbucket has it, Stash has it, GitHub did not the last time I looked. That was a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
Things like this are amongst the reasons that we do not use it. Because it's really good for small, tightly knit teams. Very well designed for that. Not so much for more federated teams with differing levels of.
I think it's actually one of the items in the open letter, more fine-grained access.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
It was.
Yeah.
So they have protected branches, which allows you to disable force pushes to particular branches.
But that's tagging for anything else.
Yeah, we should definitely focus on fine-grained permissions for force push. That's the most important thing, fine-grained.
Yeah. Well, and you can, with the branch protection, you can also make it so that the bot, or some bot has to act on it before it can merge, unless you're an admin.
Yeah, I do remember. I think you can tie it in with CI/CD that it has to get like the.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's one of the other options. Yes, is basically like.
It doesn't protect against tagging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, tags.
Except you wouldn't be able to change a tag at least.
You wouldn't be able to change a tag, but you wouldn't be able. You would.
You can, but you're not supposed to.
But that would be a force push, wouldn't it?
It would be a force.
Which you can protect against.
But I don't
No,
think they expose.
you can push a tag delete without force pushing the repo because tags are completely different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's like a special syntax for doing it, but
Yeah.
you can do it.
You shouldn't.
You
should
just
not.
shouldn't, because when
This is I've had this feature request into Garrett for forever too. Is the ability to propose the same thing in GitHub. I would love to be able to send a pull request that proposes tagging the repo, right? So that like you can say, hey, I'd like to tag the repo at this point. Everybody else agree? Click yes. That would be great. None of the tools have that, and it seems like the most obvious feature of a.
Which are basically
but I don't think it comes in.
tags are in a different.
Yeah, it comes in. The annotated tag still doesn't.
The annotated tag actually is an object.
It is an object, but it still doesn't work through the branch merge stuff, unfortunately. Yeah.
It's in refs tags. It's in its own.
Right. So you, without access to the underlying Git service, the underlying Git stuff, you can't protect it.
Yeah. So GitHub could implement that as a feature. They just have not chosen to do that.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah. So, but yeah, then it would be I am not necessarily suggesting this as a workaround for that, but in our land, because of that same thing, we now have a releases repository where people push commits to a YAML file that lists the thing and the SHA and the tag that they want. And then there's a bot that does the tagging for people based on the approval of that thing. It's the most ridiculous that, like, I'm so angry that that's the solution, but you know, I think in this case, I think we can do social here.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah, because I keep meaning to push it up. I'm not quite sure where I should put it, but I actually did write a playbook to release Ansible.
There's also
So we have a playbook to release Ansible now.
There's also webhooks, and webhooks can monitor for tag events.
But
So
it's
webhooks
still.
it's going to monitoring after the fact. It's not going to
Yeah,
prevent
GitHub only has a post hook. I don't think GitHub does any pre-hooks. That would be useful if GitHub had pre-hooks. You could just add drop a file in GitHub.
It's also a reverse.
Yeah,
But it's a huge, it's a big.
Amongst the other reasons we're not using them is lack of that.
But if they allowed pre-hooks, then.
You could actually implement gating appropriately.
You could
physically implement gating.
You could also influence. You'd have to make it so that it was pre-webhooks. Otherwise, you would be handing Git code to run on Git's infrastructure.
True. Yeah. I would be fine with a pre-webhook.
But a pre-webhook that has to return a value for the thing to succeed.
That would make it
state machine.
easier.
But now we've created a giant state machine on top of Git, which is not,
You would also, it's going to tie up their IO kind of thing.
Yep.
If that's an open file waiting for something to come back before it says yes.
I'm just going to host Git on my home server and let's use that.
Yep.
I see nothing that could go wrong. Because wouldn't it be probably a PDP 11?
No, I retired my Pentium 2 with 206 megs of RAM. That's in my server until 2 years ago. It works fine.
Ansible now hosted on a trash 80.
I'll get a couple of Raspberry Pis. That one's currently available.
Sybil gives us a link that we should check out for protected branches. So I think we've already covered that some. But. So as we sort of devolve into mumbling around the room, are there any other topics that we want to hit? We've got some time, or we can just sort of hang out and do other useful things for the next hour. We can use the time as you want. We're not required to use all of it.
Oh, now they require status checks.
What? Was that a response to me, or is that
a new feature you can opt into?
All right. Well, I'm going to take this as sort of we've covered all the biggest things we want to cover, which is good because that leaves me just enough time to go up and take a nap. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, because naps are great. Naps are awesome. So thank you, everybody. Oh, wait. One more thing, actually, before we go. This is let's say who we are. Let's actually, we completely skipped that part and just jumped right into the business. And yes, sorry, Mr. Geerling, we did cover Galaxy. And you missed it. Sorry. That whole European time zone thing, that's the thing. So, but we'll get you. I'll tell you what, we know you'll be at the next Ansible Fest, and you can run the Galaxy session next time because I know you have a lot to add. So, and that'll be in June or July will be the next Ansible Fest. It will be in New York City. We will, I think it's in.
I heard that might change.
It'll be somewhere in North America. And I would like to set the precedent of doing one of these every time we have an Ansible Fest.
Late July, and then Summit.
Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah. This was super useful. The people who really wanted to show up, showed up, right, in some form. So So I would like to, can we carry around the tablet?
Yeah,
so
we can. Stand up.
Okay, I will do that. Will you tell me if I'm, all right, so. Oh, great. Well,
Oh, make sure.
already did, but I'll make it again. So 4:45, we're gonna be, well, I mean, we're sort of already done after we do this, but, at 5 o'clock on the dot, we have, transportation to get us to the venue, for the social event. So be in the lobby at 5 o'clock, or you'll have to take the tube there. And you don't want to do that if you don't have to, right? So
Not at rush hour
At 5
again.
o'clock.
So 5 o'clock on the dock in the lobby. All right. So
We were in the tube with our luggage at rush hour coming here. That was a lot of fun.
It's muted.
Where's the mic button? Okay. This is probably going to be. All right, turn off all the mics.
Yeah.
Turn off all the mics in the room. Or we can. I'll mute this. I'll hand. Okay, so.
There you go.
say hello to the That's how we're going to do it.
Hello, I'm Will Thames. I work for Red Hat.
Hello, I'm Michael. I also work for Red Hat.
Hello, I'm Kevin Kim, freelancing web developer from Munich.
Turn on your other mics, like, so people can.
Hello, I'm René Moser from SwiftText.
Hello, I am James Camerata with Ansible, Red Hat.
Yeah. With Ansible and also Red Hat.
And then turn on your mic.
Mic on. Turn on your
Turn
mic.
on those mics.
Hey, I'm M.A. Steinhauser. I talk about the Ansible Boston stuff. I work with all of these fellows over to the side.
Trip Waldrop, also with Blue Box with Miles and the guys coming up.
My name is Jesse Keating. Work for Blue Box, IBM. I do clouds.
Hi, my name is Paul Chikowski. Whoa, shit, don't put that so close. Is this better? All right. I work at Blue Box as well. I'm not quite sure what I do, but I do it at Blue Box. I said do.
Hey, I'm John Mitchell. I work on Ansible Tower, the UI stuff. Yeah. So.
Hello, I'm James Laska. I work for Red Hat Ansible, and I'm the engineering manager for our Ansible Tower product.
Hi, I'm Matt Jones. I'm Tower API lead, technical lead.
Hello, I am Chris Hausneck. I am the Galaxy team.
And Docker module.
Still showing. Okay, hi everybody. I'm Michelle Purz, and I am on the support team for Ansible Tower and Core, sometimes part-time.
If you've ever opened an issue for Galaxy, Michelle probably answered it.
Yes.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Jag. I'm chief architect at Ansible.
Hello, my name is Jason McCurr. I am the engineering manager for Ansible Core.
This thing actually. Okay. Hey, I'm Matt Davis. I'm on Ansible core team, Windows guy at GoGo.
Hi, I'm John Hawksworth, and I work for M-Modal, and I'm mostly interested in Ansible pointing at Windows boxes.
Hi, I'm Brian Coco, work for the core, Red Hat on the core team.
Where are we seeing Robin? Oh, there's back. All right. So once again, nobody knows what Brian looks like.
Hello, Brian Coca, work for Red Hat on the core team.
I'm Toshio Kuratomi.
and I work for Ansible on the core team.
I think. Oh, hey, look, there's. Yeah, sorry, I'm messing everything up. All right, there. Now I look like me. I'm Monty Taylor. I work for IBM on OpenStack things. Where'd I go now?
Hi, Tim Kramer. I'm the engineering director. Ansible Contributor. Oh, sorry. Start over. All right, Tim Kramer. I am the engineering director in charge of Ansible Core and Tower.
Hi, I'm Serge van Hendrachter. I'm a contributor and I've been involved with Ansible since a couple of years now.
Yes. Old school.
Yep, it's on. Yep, I'm Jonathan Davila, and I work on the services team for Ansible and help out with our AWS modules when time permits.
But you got to go by
And then I'm Dylan Silva. I'm product manager for Ansible integrations.
There you go.
I'm Greg. I'm the guy who thought this was a good idea.
I'm Robin, and I approved your idea because I'm the boss.
All right.
Oh, no, you are. Never mind.
Whatever.
There you go.
Whatever. All right, we're done, right?
No,
That's bad.
there are people on the screen who probably want
Oh, we're
to
done in the room, is what I meant.
Oh, yeah. So you guys can unmute yourselves and say hi if you want.
Hi. Uh-oh, somebody else unmuted. I'm Jeff Geerling, and I wrote a book on Ansible.
Yes, you did. Thank you, Jeff.
Hey, Walter just wrote a book on Ansible, too.
Yeah, Walter,
And Jesse.
Jesse. Who else wrote a book on Ansible? Who's planning on writing a book on Ansible?
Listen, who wants to write? I have an open line on Pack want somebody to rewrite one of their books for the.
Oh, really?
Never write it.
Yeah. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
Crab, say hi.
Hi, I'm Adit, and I work at Second Quadrant, and I usually work on Postgres for my day job.
Thanks, Abhijit. Hi. Hi, Jeff. Is anyone else out there? I see there's allegedly 6 people on the channel. I don't know.
Shrews was in here.
Shrews is in and out. Oh, and Robin Tablet. So that's okay. So that's it. So Shrews, here's your chance to say hi, but you have no camera and no mic. So I guess that's your chance.
And he's.
So we'll catch you next time.
He can talk. Say hi, Shrews.
He can't because he's muted and has no camera.
Oh, okay.
And no mic.
The IRC window and let him say hi.
Oh, say hi in the IRC window. Hi. All right. All right. Well, thanks, everybody.
Did you guys all find
what Shrews looks like? I mean, in person, still looks like that.
Yeah.
Did you guys all find this useful and valuable today? Yes? Like, for real?
Did anybody not find it that valuable? You're like, eh.
I don't know if these answers are going to take off. I mean, it seems too far-fetched.
Yeah, it's a niche. That's what we hear.
All you need.
Look, I'm still against YAML for the record. I just haven't figured out what's any better. Secret agent, man. Well, you know, we have an agent. It's called Python.
You have an agent. It's called SSHD.
It's called SSHD. That's right. That's right. All right. Thanks, everybody. So again, one more time for those of you here.
Don't miss the boat. Bus.
Bus.
Whatever. Oh, is it? Are you fucking kidding? I was just like,
Hey, don't miss the bus.
I didn't know.
That's it.